This is the front rim off that 51 truck. Sits in the yard. You can see all the rust on it. You know, it's really bad clean through the... So we're gonna sandblast these and pop these little washers and stuff out where the lugs go and replace them with chrome ones. But you can see where it was broken. I want to make sure that the cones will still go on and everything. But we're gonna repair this with some filler here. What you do is put a cup and then refill it, sand it out. You know, you'll never even know. And I'll show how we do that here in the next couple videos as well when I'm playing in the room here in the booth. So you get a chance to see it. Look, you know, I mean, it's a little surfacey here, but man, some of it, like right there, I mean, it's gone. There's no chrome, so it has to be painted. Unfortunate, but the whole set's like that. That's why they're off of it, and I have them other spoked rims and hydraulic rims from the 90s on her, because they're just old crappy rims. Anyway, you see what I mean? Gotta fix that. So we'll get this fixed. We'll get these. We'll use like a, go to AutoZone or something, and we'll get some shimmering silver. You spray that on here, and then we'll put a really good clear coat over top of it, and then these with new valve stems, and get some new caps, and that way we got 4 matching, and we'll go from there. Thank you, I appreciate it. Everybody likes it. Like I say, this thing, man, is really dirty right now. Look at it. It's horrible. All cleaned up and everything, and maybe something. Take it all clean on it. Like I say, we got this, but you've seen the video there. You want to see more of that? Let me know. Right now we're going to be on these next. We'll be sanding on this and showing some video of it and stuff and kind of how we do it. But I'm more concerned about getting this fixed and set painted and getting what else I need to do. Like this, you know, right now you can see it's on jack stands. This is just to kind of show the wheel's just setting here. See, it's not actually even attached. But these come up about 1 foot. So this wheel won't be way down like this. It's gonna be way up here. This truck's gonna be, you know, like 6 inches off the ground. Like you've seen. I don't know if you have seen it yet, other than, you know, in the videos where it was setting a distance back. But you can clearly see here that, you know, we're more than, I can go like this and touch the ground normally. And now you come down here and you can go again, and then almost again. So we're off the ground, you know, right there's over 12 inches. So we're like 20 inches off the ground right now compared to how this thing will actually set. Alrighty. Appreciate everybody. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll check you later.